What's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to be installing these Quik-Latch hood latches on my Honda Del Sol. I already started putting the rods. It's kind of simple. I'm not done yet. I already started putting the rods. And they tell you to put a piece of tape. Here's instructions, it's come included. Here's the hood latch. Pretty cool. So this is 7/16. You know what I mean? Alright, plug that in. Let's bring it back up here. Hopefully we could just use this even. Let me see.
Up to 10 hours of protection. So while your peer is doing his own thing, always let you do your
I like that. What?
Lowe's, what you doing, crazy? Oh, yeah, this is a big drill bit, bro. This is a pretty big drill bit.
Got one hole down. Alright, chat, we got 2 holes. That first one on the left. Oh man, dog. Oh no. It's so close. Like, look at this. It's perfect, right? It's coming through. This side, look, it's not. It's like crazy. And it says drill the top of the hood only. Oh. What? Yo, bro.
Oh my god, that shit is so ugly. Oh my god. This is ruined. Where's the fucking top? Oh my god, chat. That shit might be cooked. That shit might be cooked for real. Look at how big the hole is now. Oh no, man. Oh my god, dog. Did we just force end it?
Then a 2.5 inch on the bottom? Oh yeah, GG's. Found the 2.5. Gosh. It does cover the hole. For Showski. Oh my god. But again, that's why I'm making this video too. So you guys could like learn from what I do and kind of do it better. Or, you know what I mean? Do it your own way. Look good. I'll probably buy another set of these to use them on another car. It's like I like them. I just didn't like the bottom is kind of simple to understand, but the top, it's like it's so risky. And it was my fault. I just should have put it backwards, bro. But it don't tell you that on the instructions. Now let me store the rods again and see if we're gonna have some closure. Oh yeah. Chat, how that look? Y'all seeing it or what? Y'all seeing this? Looking nice, bro. That's what I was talking about with the hole. Like, it's like a lick too big there, but it's okay. We can feel that. This side is like perfect. I will take that, yo. And then when you push it, like, see the hood don't come up right now. Nice. Cheers. Taylor's got hood pins again. Alright, one in right there, but still mad close. Right there, it's in, chat. W install, bro. W install. And I just gotta tighten some stuff up, clean it up, primer it. Fire. Alright, so it looked like it was like an hour install. But that's not bad, bro. I can't complain. It came out pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, man. That's the Quik-Latch install. About an hour. Not bad, bro. It's closing really easy now. I'm not gonna lie, I really like how flat they are. It's like almost like you can't even really tell they're there. Even from the front. Nice. Hey, if y'all enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. We will be doing more car content in the future. But yeah, man, this is the deli. She's going to look a whole lot different soon, bro. After she gets her paint, she's gonna look like a whole nother car, bro. She's getting there, chat. She's running and driving like great. It's just about making her look nice now. All right, chat, I'm out of here. Thank y'all for watching. Back at it soon for another car video. Peace.